This 2025 Jayco North Point TRL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Fretz RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth-wheel RV features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Fretz RV.